Hi, this is Clayton from the Tippecanoe County Public Library. Today we're going to talk about where you can get some free tax help in the Lafayette area. In the Lafayette area, there are several groups that provide free tax assistance. Essentially, the IRS and AARP provide training for volunteers who then help people with low income and seniors. They're only qualified to provide basic tax help, but for people who meet their income guidelines, that's probably going to be all you need. Due to COVID, these groups are operating on a virtual or drop-off basis only. You'll have to give them a call or visit their website to schedule an appointment. Then you'll drop off all of your tax documents, and then once they've completed it, they'll schedule a time for you to come back and sign your return. This year, there are two groups providing tax help. It's the United Way and Lafayette Urban Ministry. They both have an upper income limit. The United Way has theirs at 66,000 and LUM has it at 54,000. They both have a limited number of slots available and they both operate only through the beginning of April. So you will want to make an appointment as soon as possible to make sure that you can get in to get help. Before your appointment, you're going to gather certain documents. You're going to need personal information such as the name, birth date, and social security number for each person filing, as well as your dependents. You're going to need the bank information for your checking account, so specifically the routing number and account number. You're going to need income documents. For most people, that's a W-2 from your employer and 1099 forms for other kinds of income, such as bank interest, investment income, and social security benefits. Finally, you're going to need stuff for your deductions and credits. In some cases, that is a document sent by your lender for things like mortgages and student loans. In other cases, you're going to have receipts for things like educational expenses. You're also going to need to send in your previous year return because the preparer will need that to know what your previous year state and local taxes were, as well as to send in your return once. You can also get some help from the IRS or Department of Revenue. Um, for the IRS, they have an online order form for taxes. So if you want to do it all on paper, you can have them send you forms instead of printing them off yourself. They have a tax helpline. There is no local office anymore, but they do have a virtual help. Basically, you can do it over the computer. You'll just, again, call them to schedule that. Same thing with Indiana. They do have a local office, but due to COVID, they are requiring you to set up an appointment ahead of time. Um, the big difference between this and what United Way and LUM do is that they do not help you fill out forms. They'll help you, do your filing, they'll help you set up payments, but they can't really sit there and provide you with any kind of tax advice or go through it step by step with you. When you file your return, a direct bank deposit is the fastest way to get your refund. All you have to do is provide the information for your checking account and it will directly deposit that money within a couple of weeks usually. You can still get a check through the mail, but that's going to take a lot longer. If you end up owing money, you can also do your payments online. The IRS and Indiana both have websites where you can pay it just like you can any other bill. They have options for credit cards or direct bank account payments. They also have applications where you can set up a payment plan if you need to do it in several installments. So to wrap up, you want to get going as early as you can because that way you don't miss out on one of the limited slots. And if you can, use direct deposit so that you get your quickest refund possible. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.